Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Zach with Money Pit RC. Before we start the video, you probably saw the title. I'm not claiming that this is the fastest Losi Micro B in the world. It's pretty quick to me. And I tried to do some research and I really couldn't find anything just because they recently just came back in stock. And the FuriTech setup in this is now in stock also, so maybe people did other things, I'm not sure. We're not going to talk about the FuriTech system in this video. I'm going to make a separate video on that, on how to install that and all the features of it. So I had this thing out for a little bit and I just recorded a whole bunch of footage. I did some speed runs, I put paddle tires on it. There was a whole bunch of great footage. So I didn't want it to go to waste, so I'm going to make this video. We're going to talk about the Losi Micro B right now. Just kind of see what we did. I'm not going to go fully in depth, kind of just like a quick overview, and then we're going to get on with the footage. So here is my Losi Micro B. It is kind of goofy looking, but it's all for purpose. Not really. This body is the Robski file that is for free. So I printed it and I thought it would look really cool on this Micro B because we did order an actual racing body, but since the electronics I have in this are not specific for this, I had to make do with a different body because the stock body did not fit. Put some magnets. I think it looks pretty cool. It looks really good with the paddle tires. So here's our Micro B. We did do a video on like the suspension components and all that, and we did a video on the servo. It's got a whole bunch of next racing parts, control arms, shocks, turnbuckles, caster blocks, knuckles, steering blocks, all that. So all that's addressed. We have a torque servo, and then down here, a little hard to see, we have the FuriTech Storm Razor motor, 9500 kV. So this kit is called the Grasshopper kit. It comes with the Micro Beast ESC. We had a little dilemma with that, but our new one's in the mail, so don't worry about that. So once we get that all situated, I'm going to do a full video on just the electronics because it's worth it. This thing rips. Absolute animal. You can run it on 2 or 3S. I did speed runs on both. The numbers are crazy, especially for this little car. It is so hard to handle. So in the rear, I did add hex extensions to extend the width, try to keep it a little bit more stable. I don't know the full plans, what I want to do with this, but I know I want to make it like off-roady. At one point, I did have SCX24 wheels and tires on it. They fit great. You just want to use the C10 ones because they are the smallest one out of the bunch, and I think it looks the best. You can use Bronco and stuff, but they're just a little bit too tall. It looks kind of funny, but the C10 looks kind of like it fits. I do either, like I said, I want to make it an off-road car or I want to make it a speed runner car. We have a new body on order, so don't worry about the body situation. Once that gets in stock, it'll get shipped to me. My next issue is the rear end. The rear diff is so loose, like very loose. So somehow I want to lock that up, maybe silicone earplugs. I never took the diff out, so I don't know what it looks like, but maybe thicker oil or put some silicone earplugs in there and try to lock it up a little bit better. So that's a quick overview of this thing. So here are the C10 wheels and tires. Like I said, they're smaller, so it doesn't look as bad. It looks pretty good with them. So also in the video, I did 3D print my own paddle tires. These are small paddle tires, and this is stock SCX24 wheels. I ripped the factory tires off and I slid over the 3D printed paddle tire, and it works great. It looks really mean with the set of paddle tires on this thing. And paddle tires and some loose dirt or stones, crazy. I only had one issue, is the stones kept getting in the servo, but like I said, this thing is not made to go off-road. It's a carpet racer. Alright, we got the paddle tires on. Battery situation is not ideal, but it'll work. Let's see what we can do in this dirt. Alright, so our only problem right now is the unlocked diff. Doesn't really want to go anywhere, but oh, needs a lift kit. Well, it is cool. It's definitely not made for what we're doing.
whole bunch of sticks and stuff keep getting stuck in here in the steering servo. We're good now. Alright, we got the GPS on it. The body is probably not ideal for speed runs, but what are you going to do? Got the GPS all hooked up. Let's see what this can do. This is 2S. I did bring a 3S battery, but we don't know if it's going to work. There goes the body. Let's do another pass. It's hard to control with one hand. Oh, the wheel fell off. God dang it. I didn't bring any tools. Alright, well, wheel fell off. Let's see what it says. 19 miles an hour on this little thing. With this stupid body. Oh my god. That's nuts. I feel like we can get over 20 on 3S. Alright, let's walk my butt back up to the hotel room. Maybe bring some spare parts just in case and get this wheel back on and let's do it again. All hooked up again, got the wheel back on, and ready for another go. I will say that the wind picked up, so you can't hear me. Sorry. We'll give a little bit more room. Really try to wind it. Oh, shoot. I hit a little stick. It's all good. All good, man. All good. Wheel is still on. Let's go this way a little more. This is fun. Alright, let's check. 21 miles an hour. Heck yeah. Let's do 3S. Alright, so 3S battery placement isn't ideal. I just kind of wrapped it around. It's in the cab, but my GPS is dying, so let's do this quick. Oh, wow. It is windy as heck right now. Oh my god, this thing looks nuts. Holy cow. Jesus.
So this is only the start to the Losi Micro B. I'm gonna buy another one just because I want to keep one a carpet racer and I want to make the other one either like an off-road buggy or something cool. So if you have any ideas, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, it wasn't anything special. I just want to do a speed run, kind of just show off the paddle tires and just drive it. I haven't driven the thing in a little bit and I just wanted to drive with the new motor. It's fast. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't already, you know I'm driving through all your feedback. Catch you guys in the next video.